Who's ready to make the best buffalo chicken sandwich you've ever had? These are super easy and super delicious. And I don't know about you guys, but I am a sucker for a good sandwich. So we're gonna start with the chicken. I have 4 chicken breasts. Really, it was 2. You know, chicken breasts are usually pretty fat, right? So I just cut them right through the middle, and it's like you double your meat, save money. So I had 2 and I just cut them like that. So I have 4 chicken breasts technically that I'm gonna be cooking up. Depending on the size of your group, if you're more people, definitely make more. What you need is chicken, olive oil, a clove of garlic, some paprika, chili powder, Frank's Red Hot, salt and pepper. And that's it for the chicken. And then we're gonna do the homemade ranch dressing after. And they're so good. I am telling you, yum, yum, yum. Okay, so we are gonna start by pouring about 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the pan. This pan's a little small, so I'm gonna do 2 batches. Okay, so over the 2 pieces, I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of paprika, nice and even on the top, and then the chili powder, half a teaspoon, some pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm just gonna cut this in half because it's so big anyway. And then crush the garlic over it. Okay, it's starting to sizzle. So we're gonna go ahead and cook that about 4 minutes on the first side, flip it, and then maybe another 4 minutes, just until it's no longer pink in the center. Okay, this chicken looks good. Like I said, you know, about 3-4 minutes on each side. And I'm just gonna move that to a plate, and then we're just gonna repeat what we just did with the other 2. And obviously, if you use a bigger skillet, you can do it all in one batch. So more oil, and the chicken, and then the garlic and the spices, and we'll get this cooked, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, this batch of chicken is done also. So what I'm gonna do is actually add these 2 pieces back to the pan. Get a little more room now since they shrunk a little bit. Forgot to mention butter earlier. Okay, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter in here to melt, along with half a cup of the Frank's Red Hot. So this is 1/4 a cup. I'm gonna go ahead and double it so it's half. Love this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that butter get melted in there. And the chicken drenched in this deliciousness. Okay, and then once that melts and it's all mixed nicely, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to a covered dish, and then we're gonna make the sauce. Okay, now for our ranch dressing, and you can make this ranch dressing for salad, which is what I do. It's really, really good. So it's a half a cup of sour cream, a half a cup of mayonnaise, is ranch low fat? Not really, but at least it's homemade. I mean, store-bought ranch, they have gone organic quite a bit, but a lot of the store-bought ranch has soybean oil, and some of them have MSG, so you definitely want homemade. Okay, half a cup of buttermilk. So that's a half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of buttermilk. Mix that around a little bit. Juice of half of a lemon. And I've got my little strainer here to catch the seeds. One clove of garlic. Okay, I have Mrs. Dash onion and herb that I'm going to put a teaspoon of. And if you don't have that, you can just use onion powder. It'll be pretty close. Okay, garlic powder, same. I'm gonna do a teaspoon. Some dried basil, teaspoon. Fresh basil if you have it. Some black pepper. Teaspoon of salt. Mix away. Wow, that is so good. Tastes extra good today. So there you go, homemade ranch. Delish. Now, at this point, if you like blue cheese, because obviously buffalo and blue cheese go together well, and I like it, but my family doesn't. So that's why I make ranch. You can turn this into blue cheese by simply shredding or putting the crumbles into this, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons worth, and then it turns into blue cheese dressing. So that's entirely up to you. But like I said, everything I make here, we are gonna eat, so I have to make it, you know, I have to cater to my family. So ranch it is. And so, okay, I'm gonna get everything ready to assemble these sandwiches. All right, guys, this is the fun part. So I have a homemade roll slash bun. Recipe coming soon to my YouTube channel. You can use sliced bread, you can use rolls, you could use sub rolls, whatever you like. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna start with the ranch on one piece of the bread. Put it on both if you like extra. I put it on pretty thick. And then what I like is chopped green onions, and I put them right on the dressing so that they kind of stick. Okay. You could do red onions too. I've done it both ways. I like it with the green onions. Okay, and then we put the chicken. So just cut a little piece off. And then I like to take the sauce that's in the pan and just kind of drizzle a little bit over that for extra flavor. And then tomato, if you like tomatoes, some lettuce, and there you have it. Homemade buffalo chicken sandwich. Looking good. And I'm not taking a bite on film because it's gonna be a mess. Eat with lots of napkins, and these are kid friendly. If you think that you could cut the franks in half if you think it'll be too spicy. My kids eat them, they like it. But if your kids are funny with spice, then this might be an adult meal. But anyway, thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share with friends, and let me know what you guys want me to make next. Any suggestions? I'm open. So I look forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic and blessed day.